Hello, good morning. Just a brief walkthrough about the project Zero for the Harvard University's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is my 4-page website. On the home page, I just copied requirements for the project here, and then we're told to just yourself. So I just wrote my name, and then also about our interest. So on page 1, and basically about two of my interests. First, I live in Nigeria, the southwestern part of Nigeria. So I included a map of the southwestern part of Nigeria, the states. These are the states in the southwestern part of Nigeria. Other requirements include unordered list and ordered list. So I included unordered list here of some states in Nigeria. Then an ordered list of local government in this state, Lagos State, and an ordered list item of towns or areas within this local government, Etiosa local government, and another ordered list of another local government in Lagos State. Part of my other interest includes watching films, so I included a table of the best action films of all time, 5 of them. Later on in the README file, you would see where I got this info from. So page 2 and 3 are basically empty. I just put it just to meet the requirements that you should have. The website should have 4 pages and they should be able to link to each other. So that's it. So I'll quickly take you through a walkthrough of part of my code. I'm going to use Sublime Text to open it. So this is the index page. We also told to use Bootstrap. So for the pages, you would see Bootstrap there. Bootstrap. You would also see the image. Okay, that's in page 1. The image link is in page 1. So let me quickly go to page 1. Okay, so this is the image link, southwest.jpg. These are the unordered lists and the ordered list. Then, of course, these are the tables we're told to use with grid. These are the tables code for it.